Unit 11. Decision. Page 100.
Well, I think the whole high-wire story goes to show that it is not always that easy to get an IPO right. In this case, first of all, there is the question of how the IPO was organized, and that brings up two problems: the timing and the choice of the bank to manage the launch. For the timing, it was already clear that the internet boom was coming to an end, so the company was entering the market at the worst possible time. But the real problem was that they were doing that with their stocks priced too high. They hadn't reduced them at all. Now, why they attempted to do that is also the result of the relationship between the company and its investment advisors. In this case, they really weren't that compatible. On one hand, a traditional Wall Street investment bank with very conservative ideas about how to launch a public company, and on the other, a young, rule-breaking, risk-taking enterprise with very definite ideas. What happened? Well, basically, both sides had overvalued the company. They couldn't sign up enough investors, and eventually they had to accept the fact that they couldn't go ahead with the IPO, so it was cancelled for the second time. Now, that didn't do either of their reputations any good, and remember, on Wall Street, nobody ever forgets a failed IPO.